Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am thrilled to announce that I'm a member of the 2018 Ecotools Eco Elite and will be working with them on their new Make Life Happen campaign. I am so thrilled to be a part of this, and this is my first video. So why I'm really pumped about this is because the whole idea around this Make Life Happen campaign is empowering women to set goals and to be the best versions of themselves, all the things that I stand for, that I talk a lot about on my channel to you guys. You and I both know that part of achieving goals and actually making them happen starts with taking care of yourself, feeling good about yourself, staying inspired. That's one of my huge things. This year, Ecotools is kicking off each month with these inspirational themed curated boxes full of Ecotools goodies and different things to kind of keep you motivated and inspired throughout the year. How awesome is that? I'm just super proud to be a part of this, and I just want to say thank you to Ecotools again for collaborating with me and supporting this video. And the really exciting part about this is that the March box, the March Empowered Women Empower Women box, is one that I curated, and I'm so proud, and I'm going to show you guys. It's got my picture, my bio card, and all these cool contents. So here's the box. You see, like, you get all these different contents inside. Here's what the box looks like, and also here is the card that has my picture and a little message from me on it. I'm just really excited because I feel like a lot of these products in this box, they help women to simplify their lives and like get back to the things that really matter. So I love that this month's theme is about empowering women, because obviously that's what I'm all about, and that's something I'm really passionate about. And that's what this whole year-long Make Life Happen campaign is about. You guys know, if you watch my content, that I am all about setting realistic goals. I'm all about staying inspired, staying motivated. And one of the tools that I use to do that is writing things down in a notebook. Whether I'm writing down my goals or something that I heard from a motivational podcast that morning on the treadmill, or an affirmation, I just think it's super important to write that down. This one actually comes in the box, and it's a gold one, which I like gold. So it says Empowered Women Empower Women on the front, and Ecotools. Yes, I am a lifestyle and beauty like blogger and YouTuber, and I talk a lot about outer beauty. However, it's opened up a huge conversation to what everything is really about, which is inner beauty. And I just want to help you guys throughout this year to kind of set realistic goals and achieve them and lift yourself up and just really empower you to like live your best life. You've only got one. I say that all the time. I am about to be a new mom, and if there isn't a more empowering journey than becoming a mother, I don't know what is. I know I'm not even at the finish line yet, but I can already see how this journey, just through the struggles and just through the life changes and through the introspective, like, oh my gosh, how am I going to do this right? I just feel myself being empowered, the good and the bad things. So today I thought it would be really cool to take the Ecotools March Make Life Happen box, take some of the products in there and use those to create a 5-minute fresh makeup look to like run out the door and like meet your new mom friends or do whatever you need to do as a new mom. So let's get started. So I used 2 things from the box to prep my face. I used this facial cleansing brush. It's from Ecotools and it's great. I used a Yes To face mask also. It kind of gives me that glow and just makes my face really ready for a makeup application, especially if I'm not wearing a ton of makeup. It's great to have that skin glowing and looking great. And now I'm going to show you guys how I achieved a really quick and easy hair look to go along with the makeup look that I'm about to create. I use this Ecotools Styler and Smoother hairbrush. Now what I do, I get out of the shower, my hair's wet, and I take this brush. I love how it's curved like this. So it's not a full round brush, but it helps me to style and like smooth out the frizz and stuff in my hair. When I'm drying my hair, to get those pieces kind of away from my face like that in the front, I take it in sections and I dry it, and as I'm drying it, I kind of like curl it around like that. In the back, whenever I'm styling it, this helps me too, because round brushes a lot of times get caught up in my hair and make my hair look really tangled, and you have to yank the brush out of your hair. Because this has that flat back, it really helps me whenever I'm styling my hair. And then I'm going to put my extensions in. So these are the hidden crown extensions that I've been wearing. I wear these all the time. You know, for a quick and easy look on the go, it's great to be able to just like throw these into your hair. Bing bang bong, bing bang ba bong, bing bang bong, bing ba bing bong, bing bang bong, bing bang ba bong, bing bang. Just smooth it all together. Now on to the makeup application. Because this is an out the door, going to meet your mom friends or whatever makeup look, I'm going to mix a CC cream from It Cosmetics and then also this more full coverage foundation. This is from YSL. It's the All Hours foundation. It's going to give it a little bit of a sheer look mixed with that good coverage. And I'm going to use one of these Ecotools brushes to apply. This one's from the Confidence in Bloom set. So I'll just put it on the back of my hand. I mix those together and straight to the face.
Why don't you do what you do, what you do, what you do, why don't you do what you do,
Now that I
what
have
you
that
do, what you
perfect
do.
coverage on my face, I'm going to go in and I'm going to add the concealer to the lighter parts of my face. So I'm going to use this Tarte Shape Tape. It's the color Light. Then I'm going to use these awesome 2 sponges. So these are the Perfecting Blender Duo. They come in the box and I love it because they have these edges. So a lot of these blenders, they're round like that, which really isn't conducive to the face. I love it when they have these flat edges. So the darker green one is a little bit bigger, and then this one's just kind of for those more like fine tuning, blending. But I love these, so let me show you how I use these. Okay, take the darker green one from the Perfecting Blender Duo. I'm going to blend those just broad areas where I've kind of put that concealer. And then I'm going to take the smaller one for the underneath the eye part because it's a little bit more fine tuning. I also bring this onto my eyelids and it's the perfect size for that. Perfect. And now I'm going to go in with this. This is a powder brush and it's called Precision Powder. It's also from that Confidence in Bloom set. I'm just going to kind of set where I just applied that foundation. You can use any sort of loose translucent powder. I'm using a Laura Mercier, just general one. Now I'm going to go in and I'm going to do my bronzer. I'm loving this drugstore bronzer. It is my fave. It's called Butter Bronzer. It's by Physicians Formula and it is bomb. I'm going to go in with, these are one of the 2 brushes that come in that Define and Highlight duo. There's the Define brush and then there's the highlight brush, this fan brush. So I'm going to use the Define one. I'm just going to kind of swirl that around in there. I'm going to bronze that face up. It literally smells like a blissful day on the beach. This bronzer does. And this may sound odd to you, but this one that I just showed you, the highlight brush, I'm actually going to use to apply my blush. Just a sweep of beautiful color on your face is just so lovely. I'm just going to go straight in with this Charlotte Tilbury blush. This is Ecstasy is the color. And I'm literally just going to brush it onto my face like that. Isn't that lovely? And because this is a really like a quick and easy makeup look, I want it to all blend really well. So at the end, sometimes I like to go in with a brush and just kind of blend things together. So this is that Glow Buki brush. It also comes in this kit. You can use it for bronzer. You can use it for so many different things. Today I'm kind of using it as a blender, but I think it's a really great tool for that. I love the way that this fits in your hand and kind of molds to your face. It's just lovely. Now I'm going to do a really quick eye look for this because you are running out the door to meet your new mom friends and they ain't got time to wait. This is from the Confidence in Bloom brush kit. This is the Blurring Shadow. And I'm going to go in with this Too Faced I Want Candy palette. This is Banana Cream Pie and Ice Cream. Doesn't that sound delightful? And I'm going to cover my whole lid. And then I'm going to take actually that same brush. I'm going to kind of dust it off. And then I'm just going to go in with this pastry and this cream puff. These are kind of taupey, really easy colors that are simple to blend. And this is a really light eye look. So they're really perfect for that. That is literally all I'm going to do to the eyes. I always line my waterline, especially as a new mother, because the eyes are probably going to be red and bloodshot. I'm just going to go in with this Rockin' Cold. This is by Charlotte Tilbury, and it's called An Eye Cheat. It just kind of takes that redness out. You can line your eyes if you want to line your eyes, but I'm trying to keep this quick and easy. Now I'm going to go in and I'm going to apply some mascara. This is the Too Faced mascara that I just adore. I feel like mascara is a must, whether you do or you don't have eyelash extensions. It makes you look a little bit more alive than you might be. So I'm just going to go in with any sort of brow pencil. This is an Anastasia Beverly Hills one, but I'm just going to go in and I'm going to add a tiny bit to my brow and run out the door. I also dye my brows to keep them easier to do like makeup looks like this. Now that I'm dyeing them at home, I feel like that takes that step out, or part of that step out. I'm now going to finish this look out with any kind of like a neutral kind of nude liner, whichever one kind of matches your skin. And then I'm just going to go in with any sort of like a pink gloss. So I really love this Bobbi Brown one. The color is rosy, and I've been using this one for years. And cover the whole lip with that. Quick and easy and fresh and bright-eyed. All the things that you might not necessarily be as a new mom. So this is the perfect look for running out the door to meet any of your like new mom friends, people that understand what you're going through, or to run errands, just whatever it is that you want to do. A quick and easy look that just makes you look fresh and bright-eyed and ready to take on the day. I just want to thank Ecotools again for supporting and collaborating with me on this video. Remember, the link is below in the description to get your own Make Life Happen box. Quantities are limited and they'll go fast. They've been going fast, so get yours today. And thanks so much for watching me create this look and this video today, showing you guys my box. I'm so proud to have this, and it's just a really exciting journey. So give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and thanks so much for watching.
Shoop, 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 be-doo-be-doo, shoop, 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 be-doo-be-doo.
Morning, good morning, rise and shine.